Hello students, today's video we are also going to solve some problems from the same exercise, that is 9a, congruence of triangle. Let's start. Number 15, this is given ABCD is a square and inside a point, interior O is a point which is actually making a triangle ABO, an equilateral triangle, that is AB equal to OA equal to OB is equilateral triangle. We need to prove that is this triangle COD is an isosceles triangle, that is OC and OD. We will just prove that one, that will be, it will be proved that is OCD is an isosceles triangle. See, proof. In triangle AOD and triangles seen between these two triangles, what are actually equal? See, OA equal to OB, because this is an equilateral triangle. This is AB equal to OA equal to OB, and AD equal to BC. This is also the opposite side of a square. The square side, you know, these are all equal. And angle C, here this is an equilateral triangle. All angles are 60 degrees. So this is full is angle 90 degrees. So this angle is 30 degrees. And similarly, this angle also 30 degrees. So within these two triangles, this side equal to this side equal to this side, and in between angle 30 equal to 30. So it is actually proved that is these two triangles are congruent to each other. That is actually SAS criteria. So we can just tell that is from here, that is OC equal to OD, and which is actually need to prove that is triangle OCD is an isosceles triangle. Next number, see, number 20. It is given number 20. This is ABC is an isosceles triangle where angle AB equal to AC is given. That is B angle equal to C angle. We know this is isosceles triangle, opposite sides, the opposite angles will be equal. Then we can tell that is half of angle B equal to half of angle C. We need to prove that is this BO is produced to AC, this is which meets at point A. We need to prove this angle, COM angle equal to angle ABC. This we need to prove. See, because angle B equal to angle C, then half of angle B equal to half of angle C. Now in triangle BOC, in triangle BOC, COM is the exterior angle. This angle is an exterior angle. This exterior angle, it will be equal to the sum of these two interior angles, that is OBC plus OCB equal to angle OBC plus OCB. See, OBC equal to OCB, this is actually half of angle B plus half of angle C, and this is equal to half of angle B plus half of angle B, because this angle C equal to half of angle C equal to half of angle B. So we can just tell that is angle B, and this is actually, we can tell this is angle ABC, and this angle, that is COM angle equal to angle B. This is proved. Come to the number 24. This is also very important one. In the adjoining figure, it is given this is a river and this is the width of the river. This adjoining figure explains how to just one can find the breadth of the river without crossing it. Suppose this is the river and suppose AB is the width of the river, that is the breadth of the river. We need to find out without crossing this one. Just suppose you are this side, you need to just measure the width of this river, and just take any point over here in this bank of this river. Suppose this is M. Take the midpoint of this PM O and draw perpendicular perpendicular on M on the band, that is, this is perpendicular. Join AO and just produce it, and it meet at point N. So this is actually now the figure. We need to find out that is the AB. What is actually AB? AB what is? Now we are just going to just prove this triangle and this triangle. Prove. See, in triangle AOB, this is O, this is the point O, AOB, and triangle MNO, MON. What it actually equals? See, this is 90 degree. This is the midpoint, and this is the opposite angle. So we can tell this angle side. So because this is OB, see, BO equal to OM, it is construction, and angle AOB equal to angle MON. This is vertically opposite angles, and angle ABO equal to angle MNMO. This is 90 degree. So we can tell this is triangle AOB is congruent to triangle MON. If it is congruent, what is actually this is criteria? This is AAS criteria. So we can just take from here, that is AB equal to MN. This is CPCT. If it is AB equal to MN, see here MN is this side of this band. It is not required to just go to the other side and just measure this one. What is now the width? You can measure this one MN and you will get the width of the river. And this is actually the width or the breadth of the river. Breadth of the river. And this measurement of MN will give you your required answer. So students, I have already finished this chapter because this is a revision. Try to just do all sort of problems within yourself. If you are having any problem, just contact with me. Thank you very much.